Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of GateCity.Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a GateCity.Bank and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of GateCity.Bank. There you can see the login form page at the right side. There you need to provide your user ID, then password. After you provide both your details, that is your user ID and password, you simply click on login where you will get directly logged into your online banking account of GateCity.Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password or user ID of the online banking of the GateCity.Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot password and forgot user ID. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your ID or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged into the online banking account of GateCity.Bank. Thank you.